In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a variable width bar chart in Tableau. This is a fantastic way to visualize data dynamically and effectively, particularly when you want to highlight different quantities with varying bar widths. Let's dive into the steps. First, you want to start by opening up the Tableau public app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from Tableau's website. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, we're going to focus on filtering our data. Look for the city dimension in your data pane, click and drag it onto the filter shelf. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to select a city. Let's go ahead and choose Austin for this example, but feel free to select any city that you're working with. After selecting, ensure you check the city and then click OK to apply the filter. Now, let's structure our chart by defining what our bars will represent. Drag the sales measure and drop it on the row shelf. This action tells Tableau that we want to look at sales numbers along the y-axis, giving our bars height. For labeling, drag the customer name dimension to the labels shelf. This will add clarity to our chart by indicating which customer each bar represents. To determine the width of each bar, drag the quantity measure onto the size shelf. This step is crucial because it varies the width of the bars according to quantity, making it a variable width bar chart. Once done, we need to visualize these quantities on the x-axis as well. Drag the same quantity measure up to the column shelf. Clicking on it will offer you an array of options. Here you want to choose Add Table Calculation. This feature transforms your chart dynamically. In Table Calculation settings, select Running Total from the Calculation Type drop-down menu. Under the Specific Dimensions section, find and check the customer name. This ensures the running total calculation applies to each customer individually. Next, change the view of your chart to a bar chart. Click on the View drop-down and opt for this option to best display your data in a bar style. Now go to the Size field and select Fixed, followed by Right Alignment. Doing so provides a consistent look to the variable width bars in your chart. For sorting, click on the Customer Name field and select Sort. In the Sort options, choose Field and then in the Field Name drop-down, select Sales. This sorts the customers according to their sales volumes. Finally, declutter your chart by clicking on the Quantity axis and columns and then unchecking the Show Header option. It tidies up your canvas by removing unnecessary labels. And there you have it, a visually engaging variable width bar chart in Tableau. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create impactful charts that tell a compelling story with your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.